Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the newbie share on your Poco M4 Pro device. First you need to open the control panel, then find here newbie share, tap and hold on it. Then of course enable newbie share. You can change your device name, but you need to make your device visible. For contacts only or for everyone. In my case I'll use for everyone, and you can change data usage mode. I suggest you to use data usage mode data because it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. So now you can send data, you can receive data. For example, I want to send from my another device image. I use send button and more button, then nearby, and now on my Poco I see this message that device nearby is sharing. Tap on it, choose allow, wait a while, and on another device choose hard Poco, wait a while, and choose accept on your Poco M4 Pro device. Fine, image will send, and that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.